Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking stir-fried seafood Korean style. So let's start cooking. We are going to fry the gochujang seafood now. Heat up a pan, add in some oil, swirl the oil around the pan. I'm using a Shogun by Gourmet non-stick pan. This is one of my favorite pans to use. We'll add in 10 grams of young ginger, minced up like this, and 3 pieces of garlic, also minced up like this. Just put them in. Almost immediately you can smell the fragrance that's coming out from here. Really, really good. I love the combination of garlic and ginger. We'll now add in 1 whole red onion, sliced thinly like this. Just stir fry them for a minute or two until the onion is a little bit soft. We have also prepared 3 stalks of spring onions. I'm just going to put the white stem part in first because these are very hardy and you can really cook them well. Get the fragrance out. I'm using medium heat now because I don't want to burn them. Once this is all in and you can see that the onion is getting a little bit translucent, we're adding some water. 1/4 cup of water. 1 tablespoon of gochujang sauce, just put it in. Mix it up well. We also add in 1/2 tablespoon of light soya sauce. We will now add in our prawns. This is approximately 150 grams of prawns. I've deshelled and deveined them. Put them in. We can turn down the heat a little. We don't want to burn all this. When the prawns is about 50% done, we'll add in the squid. This is 100 grams of squid. I've sliced them like this and cleaned them up also, so we put them in. Now for seafood, the most important thing is don't overcook them. Once they curl up and then you can see that the prawns is turning white and the calamari is actually curling up, that means it's almost ready to be served and done. We're adding some greens also. The green part of the spring onion, put them in. Give it a good stir. To get some heat off from this dish, I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. This is optional. If you don't want it too spicy, you can forgo this. But I like my dish a little spicy, so I'm adding this in. Also, we'll add in 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil. Balance the taste by adding in a pinch of sugar. Stir them up well. Right, this is going to be so good. Smells really, really good. Now the dish is almost done. Just sprinkle some white sesame seed on the dish. Turn off the flame, and it's time to serve this beautiful dish. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. We'll try the squid first. Tender, soft, very sweet. A little hint of spiciness, just right. The prawns. Crunchy. Very good. I think this goes very well with rice. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our stir-fried seafood Korean style. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.